Hi, this is Christie Carol, and I'm currently trying to make a show on YouTube and, just try to get myself out there and, just let the world know who I really am. And when I get the world to understand who I am, you will then try to become me, and you will then try to be me. And then there will be nothing but Chrissy Carols walking around here. And the world will be one big, happy family made of love, no hatred. But then there will be those people that try and do better than Christy Carroll. That's when the world will start hating itself, disliking itself, and all of that above. And that's when there will be no more Christy Carrolls, and the world would be gone, just ended because all of the hatred and all of the, animosity that the world is trying to